and welcome to today's class. Now, I've been playing around with this funky duck with his boots on, which I saw online, and I thought, oh, I just want to recreate that for a card. And so I've just sort of played around and re-sketched it, and sort of mainly it was to do with the body sort of shape and size that was really important, and then eventually came up with this. Now, one of the things that you can do that's quite cool, if you've got a phone or you're using your laptop, what you can do is actually get your piece of paper, and this is just thin scrap printer paper, and go into a dark room, and you can actually just put the paper over the top of your image and draw it round it, which is a really, really great way to get the image that you want in exactly the same size and scale. Now, if you want to up the scale, which I did, then I basically sort of played around with it. But the other thing you can do is draw a grid and then match each grid and make sure you get the size right. And just use a pencil until you're happy with how you've got it. Now, I've got this lovely bit of old map here that I'm going to use for the body, and it's quite nice having this piece of white paper because I can use that as a template. I'm just going to cut this body out, and then we will add all of the final bits and bobs, and we will have a fabulous walking duck in Wellington boots. Okay, now I'm going to add my duck boots. I've just cut these out of cardboard and basically just pretty much tried to do the same size, and I'm making them so they're walking. And then I also have done some cool funky wings on mine, and again you can cut this out of any coloured card, or you could use old books, whatever you wanted. And the all-important beak. Now, I hope you can see that. Here's our duck without the lines. I'm now going to go and add some nice lines in it. So firstly, I'm going to add an eye. Then I'm going to add his legs. So I'm just going to draw 2 lines around his legs, if you can see that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw a line all the way around the outside, just to make it really all come together. There we go, now we can really see he is a duck. And I'm just going to cut him out and add him to my card that I've already pre-done. I want it to be the same width. Now, I've just stuck him on this card that I have pre-made. I just die cut out of today in the bottom right-hand corner and stuck some pink card on the back. And I've got my beautiful fab duck in the middle. I hope you've enjoyed this tip, and I look forward to seeing you next time.